just be in the way.
Yeah.
Uncle Mom.
Let's call.
There's a truck right behind it, guys.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
We should have not been smoking.
What the fuck just happened?
Holy crap.
I knew it was a gem.
Jesus, you heard that. We were like, it was an
Ma, you'll never guess what we just got to see.
a boat just exploded right near us.
Yeah.
We heard it. We turn around and there's
Like
smoke
a
everywhere.
cargo ship.
Mayday, mayday.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit
What
the
the
news
fuck
for
is
sure.
going on, bro? You guys gotta. We should help
Taking
them.
water into hole number